So I don't think I can cook tonight. Hi Barbie lovers, I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover and started. Thanks so much for my video. Today I'm doing Barbie DIY! Yay! I know some of you are waiting for this, right? But when I'm busy with editing other videos, it's pretty hard for me to find enough time for DIY. You know what I'm saying? Even during quarantine, it's hard. So anyways, today I'm finally working on the inside of these two cabinet doors. I don't want to show you inside. I mean, it's not horrible, but it's not great either, you know. I'm not like super messy. It's still a little bit organized, but not really, not great. So today I want to organize the inside and want to paint here and add some Barbie something. Don't ask Ken. We can do it Barbie doors. Let's start. So before I paint, I have to take all these out and I need to check if I still need them or not. Like usually I decide if I hadn't used them for like last 2 years and I would get rid of it. I live in small space, very limited, so I don't like to hoard things. Yeah, I'm not a hoarder at all. I really feel like that's the very first step to be organized. Don't be a hoarder. I like to be organized. But you know what? I just noticed I'm kind of hungry. And before starting, I did this Baskin Robbins cotton candy ice cream. Let me have a little bite and I will start. I've been loving cotton candy. I'm a cotton candy girl more than bubblegum. It smells so cotton candy. Happy. In my Barbie kitchen, doing DIY, eating cotton candy ice cream, I'm the happiest in the world. So I need to buff the surface with some buffer, but I noticed I don't have any buffer today. I don't have time for shopping right now, so you know what? I'm gonna just use the brand new nail files today. And I'm gonna just file it. I mean buff. It totally works. We just need to make the surface not too smooth. Now I think it's gonna be the last coat for the light pink part. Now I'm using the smaller size paintbrush, the sponge one, and I'm gonna paint the trimming part with darker pink. Almost. Maybe I cannot put stickers today, but in the next episode I will put some stickers. Just painting is not hard at all. I just did in like a couple hours today, but I know my kitchen is like whole mess right now. Look at this! Oh my god. Yeah. So I don't think I can cook tonight, so I think I'm gonna order something or I can just go out and get something quick. Thanks for watching my video. Stay home, be safe, be happy. Hope you have Pinktastic Barbie quarantine. Bye.